A park is 30 meters long and 20 meters wide. It has two parts of width 3 meters, one parallel to its length and another parallel to its breadth as shown in the figure. Find the cost of leveling the path at rupees 4 per square meter. Effectively, we need to find area of the shaded region. This part. Right. Now the width is 3 meters. We can think of this as this rectangle and then this rectangle and then this rectangle. The horizontal rectangle, the big flat one. The width is 3 meters. The length is 30 meters. Brilliant. Area is 90 meters square. 30 into 3. The vertical rectangle, remember, we need to measure this and this. The whole length is 20. This length is 3 meters. That will go away. So these two will add up to 20 minus 3, 17. The big rectangle, breaking it into two parts. The one above the horizontal part, the one below the horizontal part. But the total, this will be 17 meters. The width is 3 meters. 17 into 3 is 51 meters square. The total area is 90 plus 51, which is 141 meters square. The cost of leveling the path is rupees 4 per meter square. Area is 141 meters square. Cost of leveling is rupees 4 per meter square. Overall cost of leveling the whole thing is 141 into 4. 564 rupees.